Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In this video, we are going to see the C programming subjects. Topic is preprocessors in C language. Let's start the topic today. Preprocessors in C language. The preprocessor directives are the special instructions to the preprocessor. Preprocessor directive is not a part of C compiler, but these instructions tells the preprocessor how to prepare the program for compilation. So preprocessor directives, these are not a part of C language compiler, but the preprocessor directive is used to prepare the program for compilation. This is the first step in compilation. The preprocessor directive instructions can be written in linkage section. In structure of C language program, in the linkage section, we have to write this preprocessor directive statements. All preprocessor directives must start with a hash symbol. This symbol is called as hash symbol. All the preprocessor statements must start with this symbol, hash symbol. In simple terms, a C language's preprocessor instructs the compiler to do required preprocessing before the actual compilation. So, before compilation, the C preprocessor directives are make ready our program to the compilation. The following are the most frequently used important preprocessor directives. They are hash include, hash define. Let us see individually in detail. First preprocessor directive is hash include. Hash include is the first and most important preprocessor. Hash include preprocessor directive is used to include the header files to the program from the system library. So hash include is a preprocessor directive and it is used to link the header files from the system library to our program. Header file contains built-in functions which are ready to use in our program. Already we discussed about header files and their functions in the previous video. Hash include preprocessor is also known as file inclusion preprocessor directive because it is used to include the header files. That's why hash include preprocessor is also called as file inclusion preprocessor directive. The syntax to write hash include statement is hash include header file.h. Let us see two examples, hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. stdio.h is the standard input output header file, conio.h is the console input output header file. In the above two examples, stdio.h and conio.h header files are including into our program. So this is about hash include preprocessor. So now we are going to see the next preprocessor directive, hash define. Let's see hash define now. Hash define is the preprocessor directive and it allows the definition of macros within your program. These macro definitions allow constant values to be declared to use throughout your code, throughout your program. See, hash define is a preprocessor directive and it is used to create macros. So what are the macros here? Macro definitions are symbolic constants. Macro definitions are symbolic constants and these constants values cannot be changed by your program at anywhere. Like variables. So variables value can be changed but a constant's value cannot be changed at any moment in program. So let's see the syntax how to create a symbolic constant by using hash define preprocessor directive. So this line is used to tell the syntax hash define space constant name space value. Let us see one example, hash define space age space 10. In this example, we are defining symbolic constant age and that's value is 10. Now the age is having the value 10. the age is containing the value 10. So this is about hash defined preprocessor directive. So that's all for today. I hope you learned about preprocessor directive. Please subscribe this channel for more computer science subject videos and share and encourage me. Thank you guys. Bye.